Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Aisha Academy. Hope you all are doing well. I welcome all of you in my first class in which we will learn how we can earn money online. First of all, let me give my introduction. My name is Aisha. I have 5 years experience in online earning field. This is introduction class, so in this class I will only tell that how we can earn online. In further classes, I will practically approve that how we can start earning. There are so many ways of earning online, but make sure that you are having strong internet connection. Daily 1 or 2 hours are enough to learn this course. Here are some basic rules that how we can earn online money. Introduction. 101 ways to make money online. I will teach you 101 ways how to make money online. Basically, there are so many ways to earn money online. We will discuss all of them in further classes, but some I will discuss. Don't worry, we will discuss all of them. We will discuss each and every way and we will practically approved. We will discuss and I will make sure to give each and every knowledge to make it easy for you. We will also discuss online fraud. There are so many ways to defraud, but inshallah to a large extent will tell you a lot about how to avoid online fraud, how to make a legal way through earning and legal money. Legal way to earn money. Legal money app for receiving money and how much you can earn in months all depend on you and what you are doing, what kind of knowledge you are having. Suppose you are intermediate and your English language is good, the way of talking, so you can be English translator or you can teach online English classes. Secondly, there are websites who buy post, so you can make post an informative post about someone. The website which buy post, they can buy your post too. You can also become an author. Third way, if you have any skills, so you can make book and publish it. All platform, all ways I will tell you in my further classes. Fourth way, data entry. If you don't have any skills but your computer typing speed is fast, you can also earn online by typing data, which is called data entry. Fifth way, there are advertising companies in which they will give you ad and you will do publicity of their ads. Anyone who sees ad at that point of view, there you will receive payment, and the method of receiving payment will also tell you in my further classes. These all procedures we will discuss one by one and I will try my best to guide you to the app so that you can start your own online earning program. You guys have even searches online earning method on Google, but in Google some methods are not defined correctly by people. They highlight positive points and they leave negative points. So inshallah I will let you know everything about online earning program. That's it. In today's introductory class, in next class we will discuss context. Thank you.